Want to speak English fluently in just 7 days? Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that with the right method, you could start speaking confidently without boring grammar drills? Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm giving you a step-by-step plan to fast-track your English skills starting today. Let's go!
What I wish I knew at 10 instead of 20. How to learn English in just 7 days. Let's get started. Day 1. Surround yourself with English. Listen to English songs, watch movies with subtitles, and set your phone to English. Immerse yourself. Day 2. Learn the most common words. Just 1,000 words cover 80% of conversations. Use flashcards or apps like Duolingo. Day 3. Speak, speak, speak. Don't be shy. Talk to yourself, use language apps, or chat with a friend. Day 4. Think in English. Name everything around you in English. Train your brain to react faster. Day 5. Use short sentences. Keep it simple. Instead of "I'd like a bottle of water," say "I want water." Day 6. Practice every day with fun activities. Play word games, sing in English, or talk to chatbots. Day 7. Confidence is key. Speak proudly and don't fear mistakes. You'll sound like a natural in no time. Follow these 7 steps and you'll see a huge improvement in just 1 week. Hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite English word. See you next time.